or welcome to my channel and my video. If you're new here, I'm Shelby B. Thanks for stopping by. And today we got another okay, yeah. Today we got another wig unboxing. It's been a while since I did one of those, but more Amazon hair. I got this a couple days ago. An Amazon hair seller reached out to me and wanted me to do a review for them. So I am opening this in real time, so my reaction, and you know the deal, you've seen people do this. So I'm not gonna be on there thinking like, oh my god, I did No, you guys are gonna see the reaction. So without further ado, let's get started. So this wig is a 18-inch lace front wig. This packaging is cute. Hold on, look at the pack. I'm gonna need this light to stop it. Sheesh. Look at the packaging. Isn't this cute? I like it when they come in the little satin bags. I be feeling fancy like. Okay, but this is cute. This is cute. Okay, thanks. So, packaging, 10 out of 10. Wig in here, of course. I'd be confused if it wasn't in here. So here she is in the flesh. It also comes with a wig cap and some lashes. Oh, these are cute. Sometimes the lashes that you know when you buy a wig and they come with lashes and the lashes just look like lashes that you wouldn't wear. They look like lashes that like probably your grandma would wear. Yeah, those aren't it. Those are cute. I like those. Like I'm gonna put on one of my clients. So, but let's get into this wig. So today is just an unboxing video. I recently got my hair braided, so I'm not gonna be putting it on. Girl, you see that heart? Girl, you see that heart right in there? Ain't that? Oh my god. Okay, what's up? So I'm not gonna be putting on this wig today. But my next video, I am going to be dyeing it and styling it. I want this wig to be a ginger color because I want to try ginger so bad. This lace is supposed to be 180 density for this wig in general. This and that. Is it 2 nets on here? Oh, they got it. Okay, yeah, I found it after fighting with it for like 10 seconds. Okay. So this is the wig. Since my hair is braided back, I can put it over to see where it would be at. So we're looking about like right here. That's where, oh yeah, that's where like the hair stops. I don't know if you guys can see it from back there. But yeah, nothing too bad. Lace. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, the lace, this is it. This is the inside. This is the inside. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hairline, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the hairline is sort of plucked. But when I do it, I am going to pluck some more. But the hairline, it's already plucked. The hairline is already kind of plucked, but I'm gonna go in and pluck some more when I put it on. But that's a good thing. 10 out of 10. Already plucked hairline. That saves everybody much more time. The hair, it is soft. I'm pulling on it. I don't see any hair coming off. It doesn't stink, because sometimes hair stinks. They be like, that's hair oil. That's fine, but like it's not potent, if you know what I'm trying to say. So. And the hair is soft and it's silky. See? Shake it around. It's not stiff or anything. It's not gonna be much, but to put some cream foundation. I've been seeing everybody put on cream foundation lately, and I want to get into that too. So I'm gonna start doing that. But yeah, the knots are really small. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the knots are pretty small. Knots are pretty small. They don't look like They don't look like blackheads that are on my nostrils right now. Yeah, that's the wig. I'll put the link in the description below. All the wigs that I wear are in my Amazon storefront, so I'll put all those down there below. And yes, I cannot wait to dye this hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to dye this hair. I cannot wait. I'm already seeing it. I'm gonna dye it and I'll put some curls in it. It's gonna be like some big curls too. And I think I'm gonna do a side part. Normally I'd be doing like a bust down middle part, but I think I'm gonna go with the side part. I wanna do like a side part where it covers my eye, be like, yes. But make sure to check out, I'm glad I was about to end this video. It's got some lace in the back. So if you ever wanted to put your hair up, you know, in a ponytail or something, or, you know, just like do like an updo style, cut the lace on, you know, glue it on, all the other stuff. I don't really do that like that. I just put the wig on. I just put the wig on and I just do styles that cover the back because I'm not gifted like that. I wish I was. I like the little goodies that it came with. The lashes are cute. I'm glad this came with a wig cap. Ooh, 2 wig caps because the girl was running low. But I know I could have went to the hair store and got some more wig caps for my own self. Yes, I'm just a little lazy. But 10 out of 10. Knots are small. Hairline's already plugged. The wig is not potent at all. It doesn't shed because I've been sitting over here like this the whole time pulling it, and there's nothing on the ground like at all. Packaging is cute and pink. I like pink. This is good too because when you put your wig back in there, it's gonna help with sustainability and stuff like that, just to keep it so it doesn't dry out. Because that's what any hair though, like you put your hair around satin, that's what bonnets are for, to keep the moisture in. Oh, it came with the style. This is gonna be so cute, y'all. When these braids come out, this wig is going in. I'm gonna be like, y'all don't like. I don't think y'all know. Like, I don't think I know. But yes, so this is the wig. I'll try to tell the brand name. I will insert a picture of the wig. Why am I saying that? I think I'm gonna just already do it. Y'all gonna see a picture of the wig and the brand name because I don't know how to pronounce it. And the link will be down in the description so you guys get to see the picture. I'll put a picture up there and I'll put the link in there. That way you guys have access to it. And yes, this is a 13 by 6 by the way. 13 by 6 lace front. Not a front toe, 13 by 6 lace front. And yes. So thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was short. My wig unboxing videos don't usually be that long unless I'm styling the video, but there wasn't much to do except take the wig out of the packaging and assess it. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching my video. Until next time, bye.